guys, it's Lauren. I'm here at Fun Spot Kissimmee, and we recently heard there's been a new delivery here at the park. Let's go inside and find out. Alright, looks like we got some new RMC track in the parking lot there, guys. Any guesses where it can be headed? Yeah, that's right, it's going to Mind Blower. So yeah, we're definitely going to be following that one along. And as always, guys, if you like what we do, make sure to follow us on all our social channels, and hope you guys have a great day.